I have a confession to make. I am blow dryer challenged. So today I'm going to show you a product that I recently discovered, and if you were blow dryer challenged, maybe this is as interesting to you as it is to me. Gray, silver, and white hair is especially prone to turning yellow under the stress of heat. But blow drying is sort of, heat styling. So I'm going to use a thermal protectant. I've used a number of thermal protectants and I found that most of them get really crunchy. This one leaves your hair feeling soft. It does have a little bit of a perfumey smell. I think it's very pleasant. It's sort of honeysuckle-ish, for want of a better description. I don't have the best nose in the world, but to me it smells like honeysuckle and I find it quite pleasant. This is Lakme. So I'll get some of that. This is a lotion form. Many of them are sprays. My big problem with blow drying my hair is when I try to do a nice blowout myself, I get hot and sweaty, and by the time I'm done with one section, the other side is damp because I've gotten all sweaty from it. And when I put pins in it, it kind of takes the shape of the pins and it distorts it, so it just never looks like it does in the salon. And I am not in a position to be going and spending money on a blowout a couple of times a week. So this system comes with three different sized brushes, and when you figure out what the right size brush is for you, you can order more of the brushes. What am I talking about? It's a detachable brush. Watch this. A large barrel, a medium-sized barrel, and a small barrel. Today, I'm going to do a blowout using mostly the large size and a couple of the medium size. So you can see how this is great for those of us who are blow dryer challenged, or for people who tend to get really warm and sweat while they're drying their hair. So this allows you to let it set. You can walk around, you can walk away, you can do your makeup, and your hair is still going to be set. And then when you are ready, touchable soft hair with lots and lots of volume, a salon quality blowout that you can do anytime at home, even when you're blow dryer challenged. So that is the SalonClub FreeStyle Detachable Barrel Brush Set. Thanks for watching. I love you bunches. I will drop all the information down below for you. This is available at beautyroute.com.